I gotta go shovel this out. Oh my goodness, I didn't know. First episode of that. Well, I shoveled all the front of the greenhouse. Not with that shovel, with a different shovel. Because my greenhouse is flooded. I best make sure this plug is up. Oh, look. I mean, it's okay. This is a concrete wall behind, and it's got exterior stain, but all of the water will run down here. But it'll dry out. But note to self, this was all full of, the snow was pretty much right up to here, and I should have shoveled it a while ago. But also it goes downhill a bit here. But yeah, hopefully it'll drain before it freezes. That's that. And it's pretty frozen. But, this is one thing. I found a problem in my greenhouse yesterday that is disturbing. Oh, good. It's dry. This place was flooded yesterday. It had about 3 inches of water in here. Thank God. But what it was, I shoveled here. This was all full of snow. Right up to here, I think. So, yay. Glad it drained.